All right, guys, what's going on? What we're going to talk about today is NDAX, which is one of my favorite cryptocurrency platforms in Canada. And there's a few reasons for that. I think it's a really good platform for people that want to get into cryptocurrency because you can also do some staking. You have a fairly diverse range of coins that you can get involved with, and yet it's the coins that are the right kind of coins. So I'll talk about that a little bit in this video, but first I want to show you just what's going on with this platform. So NDAX here is, you can buy, sell, trade crypto in Canada, and they have a lot of these different coins, and it's really designed for a lot of people. It's easy to use, and yet it still has some of those advanced tools. So I'll show you what that goes with. They do have instant ID verification. They have some low fees, and they're very transparent about the fees, which I really like. They got some pretty cool tools, and they do have a lot of the insurance protection for assets in hot and cold storage. They're really into safety. So overall, I'm really happy with the NDAX platform. They also have a mobile app, which I'm using with Authy as a double authentication. But let's take a look at what's in the platform here. So you'll see basically the portfolio age. I actually signed up and didn't get going with this platform for a while, but I wanted to wait until I've got this video going to actually show you what's going on. Now, even though the portfolio growth is up 20%, this is when the crypto has been down because of the war in Ukraine right now. And you'll see here that I like how they've listed this out. A lot of platforms don't do that, where you can see your balance, your purchase price, the current market price. So you can see your unrealized gains and losses, which is what is the standard in stock platforms, but unfortunately really hasn't a lot of the profit and loss in these platforms is underwhelming. So you can also click on performance, and you can see that as well. Now they have the auto buy feature, so that's pretty cool. You can set up auto buy and buy a certain amount at a regular rate, which is great for dollar cost averaging. This one, AXS, is a gaming token. It's one that I'm really bullish on because I know a lot about the project, and I'm not concerned at all that is down. I've actually accumulating more, and I have some in my other accounts. So this is something that I think is very interesting, right? So they have Terra Luna. Luna has been really making some great strides. It's a good coin to be a part of because they have their own blockchain, and it's becoming quite popular. So the safest ones, of course, are going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ripple is not one that I personally touch. They have some of the coins that are attention grabbing, like Doge. Keep in mind, Doge, just to make things clear, Doge is a speculative coin. It doesn't have a use case, whereas projects like Luna actually solve a problem, and AXS has the highest NFT user base of anything. So they also have ADA, which is Cardano. That's one that I have in other platforms. PolkaDot is a nice one as well. Uniswap, you're getting into the DeFi here with Comp, Aave, Uniswap. MATIC, this is the Polygon network, which is another project that I have in another platform. Avalanche, again, very fast blockchain. Man is a gaming coin. SHIB is speculative. Solano, that's one that's becoming more popular with people that are buying NFTs. Sand is another good gaming coin that I have. Near is a protocol that's interesting as well, and it's kind of working on the interoperability of blockchains working together. So that's just a little bit of some of the coins. But if you go to the trading here, you can see that they actually have the the full order book, so you can look at the spread, all that sort of thing, and put in your price. So there's a lot of information here that you can do. In the wallet, you can obviously send and receive this out of your account. But one of the things I really like is they have staking. So this is a really great platform for people that want to get involved with staking. And I'll just go here and we'll look at it here. So there's currently 3 coins that you can stake. So when you stake your coin, you're basically putting them up and earning interest on them. And what I like about this is they have a fairly competitive rate on Cardano, which doesn't require your coins to be locked up to be staked. So that's interesting. And this is about 5%. PolkaDot, the chain, is averaging 12%. And Ethereum, so you can buy Ethereum, which is a great one to hodl, especially what is coming with Ethereum in 2022. It's very interesting, and you can actually earn interest on it, right? So let's say you were staking, let's just be conservative. Let's say you were staking like 2 Ethereum. Right now, today's price, that would be about 6,700, and you're earning 5% annual interest rate. Now, this, you can stake it for less if you want. And of course, less months, you're gonna earn less passive income. But what I wanted to do was just show you that you don't need to have it locked up in order to earn this 5%, which is pretty awesome. So let's say you were staking DOT. Let's say you staked, let's say 350 DOT, an equivalent amount. You're earning almost $1,000 in passive income, which is really cool. So you basically just select one of these coins. You choose how long you want to stake it for, and that's about it, which is pretty awesome for that. Now, you can also earn money with their affiliate program. And if you use the link below this video, you're actually going to get $10 and when you create your account and start trading, which is pretty awesome. So here are the prices. They have prices and market data, and also let's look at the fees. Fees are always important to look at. And again, what I like about this is they tell you what their buying and their selling fee is. So you know what to expect. And let's say when you buy crypto for, I don't know, let's put $100, your fee is only going to be 20 cents, right? So it's a flat rate. So these are really low fees, and they're transparent, and a lot of them aren't like that. Now, there are no deposits to receive. So if you're funding your account, e-transfer is the best way, in my opinion, and it's free. You can also deposit all these different cryptocurrencies for free, which is great. Now, one of the things that you will pay for is withdrawals. Okay, so there are some fees for withdrawals, and right now you can do a bank direct. So that's after you've linked your bank, and then it's $5. So that's not ideal. This is a great platform for people that want to invest and aren't going to need to be taking their money out quickly. And then they have fair prices for withdrawing for all these other cryptocurrencies. And VeChain is actually free, so if you wanted to withdraw, you could do that as well. So you can actually send a gift as well to all of your crypto friends if you wanted to. You could do that. So on the staking dashboard, okay, it shows your transactions here. You can click into the more details, and you can see what everything is, what the fee is, and all of that sort of thing. Also, which is great, and you can export that. The other thing is, if you just want to keep things very simple, then you can use this. So you can buy, sell to Ethereum, to Canadian dollars. So if you have Canadian dollars, you can actually put it into any of these cryptocurrencies. Let's say I wanted to get some mana. If I had some funds in my account here, you can just click the maximum. I don't really have very many funds here, and you could buy the mana and just buy it right here, right? So it makes it really easy for you to do. and it just makes a whole lot of sense. So the portfolio distribution, I think this is really helpful because, again, you don't see a lot of this in a lot of the cryptocurrency addresses or accounts, and you can export any of your reports. So overall, I think that NDAX is a great platform for the average cryptocurrency user in Canada. If you want to have some good exposure to a lot of different coins, like some of these altcoins, some of these gaming coins, they have the exposure to that, but at the same time, you can just hold it and stake your crypto in some of these platforms like Cardano, which is a great project, PolkaDot, or Ethereum, and earn some extra income on it. I mean, why not? And think about that. If you have Ethereum right now, why don't you get that over to a platform where you can stake it? So if you are not in Canada, I'll put a link to a different platform that you can stake your Ethereum at as well. But if you are in Canada, click on the link, create your NDAX account, and if you have any questions or want any advice, tips, anything like that, I'm more than happy to help. This is something I'm passionate about. Just reach out, send me a comment, and yeah, I hope this video was helpful. All right, open your account at NDAX. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.